If you don't like bland food but love rich flavors, then try making this Sri Lankan chicken curry. First, prep your chicken. Clean, dry, and optionally marinate it with salt and turmeric for 20 minutes. Heat up 4 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Toss in a cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, and cumin seeds. Sizzle until fragrant. Next, add finely sliced onions. Cook until golden brown. Then mix in minced garlic, ginger, green chilies, curry leaves, and pandan leaves if you have them. Saute for a few minutes, reduce heat to low, stir in coriander, turmeric, and chili powders. Cook until those spices bloom, bump up the heat to medium-high, add the chicken and coat it well in that spiced-up mix. Pour in a cup of water and let it simmer for 25 minutes. Once tender, add chopped tomatoes. Cook until they soften, then pour in a cup of coconut milk. Stir and adjust with more water or coconut milk for your desired thickness. Season with salt. Let it simmer on low for 5-10 minutes, allowing those flavors to meld beautifully. Serve hot with rice, roti, or bread. Enjoy your delicious Kukul curry.